Hi, I'm Robin, one of the directors here at Start Software. I'm here to tell you about release 25 of Alpha Tracker. Alpha Tracker, as you know, is our software for asbestos and environmental consultancies. And this is our summer 2017 release. Version 2450, would you believe? There have been 2450 changes since we first launched Alpha Tracker. And there's been about 100 changes or so since release 24, so it's quite a big release again. One of the key drivers this time has been to bypass some issues that Google have introduced into Chrome in the last couple of months. Now, you do need a web browser to run Alpha Tracker. I'm running it in Chrome here. Chrome is probably the most popular web browser used by our clients. But over the last couple of months, an update to Chrome has caused large drop-down boxes, so long drop-down boxes, to become slow. You might have noticed it, for example, on the project screen, on the site name drop-down. That might have become very slow to operate. Or if you've got hundreds of surveyors out on site, you might have noticed it on the surveyor drop-down box. And clients have been reporting this to us over the last month or two, and we started off being baffled because, of course, we hadn't updated Alpha Tracker itself, so why had the software changed? But in fact, it turned out to be a browser change. Now, we're expecting Chrome to fix it, and it'll just come out as part of Chrome's auto updates. But in the meantime, what we've done is we've changed a number of the drop-down boxes, which could have been very large, like the site name one here. It's no longer an immediate drop-down. You either click into it or use the search to find the site that you're looking for. It shouldn't slow you down at all. It shouldn't. The change in behaviour shouldn't affect you in any way. It should just improve the speed of some of these screens. By the way, apologies if I start slurping my coffee this morning. I've been up half the night watching the election results, and quite an interesting results they were too, I think. I imagine Theresa May is having lots of discussions this morning as I record this video. So, what is it I've got to tell you about? Well, Kim, as usual, has done all the full set of release notes. That's available on our website. But I'll just highlight just a couple of them for you. Probably the biggest new feature is that we've got a brand new fire risk module available. You need a license key to use it, so contact Elaine in the office if you want to talk about adding that to your system. But the new fire risk module, it's comprehensive, it incorporates handheld data capture, obviously, automated reporting, obviously. All the data is integrated into Alpha Tracker. So contact Elaine if you want to talk about our new fire risk module, which is launched here in release 25. I've mentioned the drop-downs. You'll notice that a few drop-downs throughout the system are changed. Like I say, that's just because of performance reasons, in particular with Google, some changes that Google made to Chrome. We've updated the QR code screen, so people that are using the QR code feature to label asbestos on site, or the QR codes perhaps put them in the reports, you'll find that all of the screens that are activated from those are much more mobile friendly than they were. So that's a nice new feature. Next one to tell you about is one that bothers me. Now, we use Alpha Tracker ourselves in our own business to run our business. Now, obviously, we're not an asbestos company, we're a software company, but Alpha Tracker at its heart is a general purpose business management software, as you know. And something that's been bothering me for a long time is if you pick up a quote from the quote list to regenerate it. So this is a quote that I've been working on. Just zoom in a little bit so that you can see the full details. If you regenerate a quote, it didn't automatically prompt you to change the produce date, or it didn't warn you if the produce date wasn't today's date. So you could end up regenerating a quote a week later, say from the first time you generated it, but the second version might still have the date on from the first version. Now the system will prompt you, it'll tell you, it'll remind you, well, in fact it'll ask you if you want the date to be changed automatically. So that'll save you sending out quotes with an old date on, essentially. And the last one I'm going to tell you about is, in terms of the main system, is that we've increased the speed of the reinspection generation process. Generating reinspection data to send back to handset could be a little bit slow before. It's much quicker now, and you'll notice the difference if you do a lot of reinspection reports. The other one I'm just going to briefly tell you about is in the client portal. So the client portal is where your customers log in to see the data that you've collected for them and download the documents and things. We've changed the way the searching works there. So again, if you've got clients with lots of sites, I'm talking about hundreds of sites probably, searching might have been slow before, it'll be much quicker now. So again, another performance improvement there for our bigger customers. So Release 25 is available now to download. You're welcome to update your own systems or give us a call here in the office if you want us to do it for you. We do have a patch release coming out for Release 25, again based on more work that we've done to improve the browser performance in Chrome in particular, but also in Internet Explorer. So that'll probably be out in a couple of weeks, so just keep an eye out for that. Otherwise, the next release will be probably the autumn time, which will be Release 26. If there's anything you want to see in that release, do let us know. Again, just drop us a line or give us a call. Thanks very much.